Oral clonidine, a simple, effective and safe sedative agent for hemodynamic stability during laparoscopic surgery and a calm post-surgical phase. By Ketki Marodkar. Background: laparoscopic surgery is the quintessence of modern surgical practice due to its cosmetic scar, early ambulation, less mortality, less than 0.1%, and less compromised post-operative respiratory and gastrointestinal functions. Carbon dioxide pneumoperitoneum, PNP, the hallmark of laparoscopic surgery and patient positioning, leads to significant hemodynamic changes in laparoscopic surgeries. Laparoscopy is the essence of modern surgery, but the carbon dioxide pneumoperitoneum used therein significantly impairs patients' cardiopulmonary function. Clonidine, by its central sympatholysis, reduces perioperative hemodynamic instability and also has multiple added advantages in the post-operative period. Methods: in this prospective, randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study on 60 ASA-I2 patients, clonidine 150 microgram for weight less than 55 kilograms and 200 g for weight greater than 55 kilograms was administered per oral to 30 patients. Clonidine group, 90 minutes before induction of general anesthesia and intraoperative hemodynamics were monitored at specific time periods and compared with the placebo group patients, N is equal to 30, who received oral vitamin C. The tablet Arcamin, 100 microgram tablet, manufactured by Unichem Laboratories, India, for premedicating all the patients in the clonidine group, was used. A preoperative anxiety score, post-operative sedation and pain scores, and the presence of nausea, vomiting, shivering and dry mouth at the end of the first and sixth post-operative hours were noted. An alpha error of 0.05 and power of study 80% after permitting beta error of 0.2 was assumed. Results: clonidine group patients remained hemodynamically stable throughout the intraoperative period. In the clonidine group, less number of patients required fentanyl for tachycardia, 1 versus 11, and NTG for hypertension, none versus 7. Similarly, the pain and anxiety scores were significantly less in clonidine group patients. At the end of the first post-operative hour, incidence of pain, shivering and vomiting in the placebo group was 33%, 36% and 20% respectively, whereas in the clonidine group incidence was 6%, 0 and 0. At the end of 6 post-operative hours, the incidence of pain and vomiting was 73% and 36% in the placebo group, whereas it was 10% and 0 in the clonidine group. Conclusions: oral clonidine in the present dose is able to maintain stable intraoperative hemodynamics and achieve a calm post-operative period during laparoscopic surgeries in ASA-I2 patients. Further studies are needed to confirm its safety in elderly patients and patients with compromised cardiovascular function. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more scientific videos.